So guys, it's the second day in LA and I'm going on a bus tour. This bus will take us, like I'm not going alone. Let me introduce you to my friend Alexis. Say hi.
Hey guys, what's up?
Okay, so we both are just going. There's the bus, and I'll show you which places we are covering today, like attractions, like celebrities' home, maybe Trump's home, British home, everyone's home, and the Hollywood sign, and beaches and sunsets, so many things. So see you soon.
Oh, I have the app.
Finally, I'm inside
No
the
app?
bus.
Online. Okay.
Bus
All right,
looks
guys,
like
how you doing? Real quick speech. I'm David. I'm originally from Louisiana. We can talk about that food and Ninth Ward. But I have Cheryl. Where's Cheryl?
Yeah,
Oh, y'all together? Cheryl, where are you from?
Kansas City.
Kansas City. Okay. And how many?
2.
It's 2 of you. Okay. Then I got Maria. Yeah, where you from? Okay. I should have said, ¿Cómo te llama?
Me llamo Alex.
includes this.
Yeah. Okay.
And I'm together with my friend.
What's his name?
Eita.
Eta?
Yes.
Eta. Okay, that's what I need. I need names. And stuff. So I'm taking names today. You got 5 reasons to be a star. Listen, guys, I have keychains on me. And look, see this up here? See, the Google. If I do a good job, I do a 5-star, you get keychains. The liquor store. What are you doing? For a celebrity. Raise your hand if that's you. Come on, be honest. Who are you? Okay, well, we're all right, look in front of you. These are the turns.
We are on the
movie.
way to Hollywood
Wait for it.
Hills.
Yank it. It's the best part of the tour. You know, he's doing that. You see it looks like Jerusalem over there? That's the Griffin Observatory. That's where they did Terminator, Rocketeer, and Transform. That's free to get in. Look at it closely. You see the panels, right? They have 9 points to Franklin. Look in front of me. Okay? Stand right here where I'm at. Face me. Everybody else stand right there. You're going to have your camera. Now, look at the TV. They're coming right to you. And now they're going to fly down 60 feet. So look at the TV for a minute. Yeah, everything we saw earlier. That's the only way in. All right, so we got a few cars behind me.
This security.
Tell I'll be back. Just tell I'll be back. Yeah. You go in.
This is still
That's the end. That's it. That's the end of it. Yeah.
So
She has
got
three,
a couple, she's got
3
many-
entryways.
I love it.
It was just a little too loud, so I have to do it like this now.
Where's Rihanna?
Up to the cameras. Go quickly.
We love you, Riri. Mwah.
1, 2, derecha. Look all the way up.
Wow.
Ready? Take a picture of the lions. Quickly.
Oh.
Hey, Mike. See? She can't fight a hello. She looked at me first. I was innocent. You saw that. We're going to go to the front. And I can't wait till they fix this dip in the road, man. It's been about a month now where he was announced over the television station. All right, so keep looking at the TV. And
That's heavy.
you see the white van on the TV? We're parked right where it is. The day of the murder.
Murder?
That's what
What do
they
you
say.
mean murder? Is that what it actually was?
No, I don't want to say it. Well, it's a lot of different critics talking about what happened. Yeah, but I just said murder. Just like O.J. Simpson. But he did own Sony. Now, but why did Michael come here? Because of the person that lived on the left side of the street. Elvis was already here. 144. The tree. Look at the girl. See that? Oh, don't look at her too long. Yeah.
Fuck, man.
Not anymore. India. How do you say it?
The ghost.
No, it's a different word.
Ghost.
Ghost.
She say ghost.
Let's go inside.
Ghost?
No.
What do you mean by male and female?
Oh, the tall one is the male. Gaudi is the name. Yeah, he created this property. The Jewish family owns it now. Let's see if they covered it. Yeah, they still got the mushroom covered. Yeah, but that's the mushroom lines, man. Drive, you're gonna get, guys. Yeah, you want to get that green and white sign on the right of you, and look at the building on your right. That's where this happened. Remember Julia Roberts? You know, I don't want to talk about how she was dressed, but they threw her out. She came back later.
In the Beverly Hills house.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, I was wearing shorts.
What a new Thor? Who is this guy? This is brand new. No, that's not Thor.
Nicholas Gladstone.
No, it's not Hercules.
She eats.
Game over here, you got 6 restaurants. You can pay all your bills, go shopping, and they got a movie theater. Wait a minute, right after the last palm tree, you will not get a painting like this ever anywhere. Ready? 3, 2, try to get it. Yeah, $13 an hour, I think, for just like a small dog. The bigger the dog, the more money. But you get 3 meals a day. Look at him. Look at him. Look. And the guy, he loves his job, man. He loves it. What are you looking at? Huh? Who took my slipper? Look, people, they do this. They've been doing that for years. But look to your left, and you're Donald Trump, LL Cool J, Queen Latifah, Donald Trump. Yeah, Michael Jackson is right there. You looking for him? Now,
I thought Donald Trump was like over there.
no, that's Ronald Reagan. You talking about Ronald Reagan?
Just take a clip. 5-second clip.
Oh, I already did it. I'm ahead of you, babe. Get it.
But photographer. So guys, for Hollywood sign, my driver dropped me at a very, like, see, you can see the Hollywood sign. But the thing is, we hike and go up for good pictures. I never thought that I will be, doing this. My knees are hurting now, but everything for the content. Like, oh, this is the way, and I'm super tired. Coming all the way from there, and it's a long route. It's kind of hiking for that hill. LA is all about hills, so I was there at Beverly Hills before. I was on a tour bus. After that bus, I came here for a Hollywood sign, which is the main attraction, I believe. So yeah, we'll click some pictures and upload them. Bye bye. This is the way. I don't know whose house is this.
See, that's where he needed to drop us off, like right there.
Drop what?
Drop us off?
Okay, but there was a chain. गाइस मैं बता नहीं सकती, मुझे इतना ऊंचा चढ़ कितने सालों बाद। अब मैं इससे हिंदी में कैसे पूछूं, ब्रो और कितना दूर लेके जाना है। Like I'm done. I'm seriously done. The girls are who they are.
For you guys too, if you want. If you don't want to go.
So guys, let me tell you, हम आ सकते थे इस रास्ते से. Let me put this way, all the way from there to here. but my friend Alexis, he gave the suggestion from there, just climb this, okay? And thanks to my Nike beautiful shoes, I came from there and the grip was so cool कि मैं एक भी बार slip नहीं हुई हूँ. See, it's sandy, sand, but I'm here and for this. Finally. Oh ho, Alex, how are you doing there?
I'm doing fantastic, hermana.
Oh man, you just left us there. Oh, my hard-working photographer come friend. He's setting the camera. Now we'll shoot some content. Sure. I agree.
Oh, I wanna see.
Epa. I found beautiful things, like I am experiencing this for the first time and I want to grab. Oh, it's similar like a peacock feather. One more thing I can see. Look at this. What can we do with this? Oh, I want more. It's gone. At least I got one. One more I got. सारे ख़त्म कर दिए मैंने. वापस से ठंड लगने लगी. गाइस, मैंने एक चीज़ नोटिस करी है, हमारे इंडिया में कैक्टस हम जब देखते हैं, सो दे आर नॉट फाउंड एवरीवेयर, बट हियर इन USA, सी, बहुत ज़्यादा कैक्टस है. दे आर एवरीवेयर. ये भी एक टाइप का कैक्टस है, कैक्टस प्लांट, एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो. अभी मैं उसको टच करके देखूंगी. ओह, शार्प. So yes, I'm right now waiting for the cab. I'm done with the Hollywood sign. We clicked pictures. Why I'm wearing this? Because it's windy. Though it's sunny day and sun is harsh, but still जो ठंडी ठंडी हवाएं चल रही है वो बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे वैसे भी ठंडी बर्दाश्त नहीं होती. So let's see. All the way there. It's close, but पता नहीं है ऐसे स्लोप क्यों है हर जगह. And that's the Hollywood sign. And I'm here waiting. Oh, banana tree. I see houses are so cool here. Like, I love this home. Zoom क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Like this. The color, like They are made differently. There.
I was just asking for the way for people to stop and shut the fuck
I
up.
should have recorded you, bro. I missed it.
And go.
See what these black Americans are doing. I mean, not. I should not. Yeah, I should not say this. Black or white, American is American. Let's go. Finished, man.
They finished.
The dancer was too good. It was so cool, actually. He's in the car now.
Oh, they're gone.
Oh, let it be.
Oh, they're going there.
Maybe to record the next part. I'll show you how he. And I'm still wearing my pink shoes. I'm gonna show you guys a famous TikToker.
Welcome to Hollywood. Get your hot dog for $3, your french fries for $2, and your ice cold water for $1. Welcome to Hollywood. Get your hot dog for $3, your french fries for $2, and your ice cold water for $1. Welcome to Hollywood. Welcome to Hollywood. Get your hot dog for $3, your french fries for $2.
Right now I am at, like, I live here in the hostel. That's my hostel behind. See guys, that's my hostel and this is Walk of Fame. I am here living since 4 days and I still don't know that this is the Walk of Fame and I'm living here. So I'm like so dumb sometimes.
Welcome to Hollywood. Get your hot dog for $3. Your french fries for $2.
Zooming in now. Start. ये क्या था? Alex, क्या मस्ती कर रहा है? This is my hostel kitchen. I cannot show the people, but yes, this is the water filter, and we sit and eat there. And this is outside window view, which is open. और ये है Walk of Fame. You can see the stars with the celebrities' name on them. This is the street. This is my co-living kitchen. So cool ना? So मैं अपना KFC लाई हूँ. मुझे माइक्रोवेव करना है. Let's go. My plate is ready. Oh my chicken, you're so good. Guys, मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है कि when I was staying in Dubai co-living, it was not that clean, but in USA what he's making, I think, I don't know, looking like a pizza, but see all the oreganos and salt, turmeric, wow, very organized. And with सबसे बड़ी चीज़, there are no roaches. See, no roaches here, nothing, absolutely clean, and I'm loving this space. Next time जब मैं आऊँगी तो मैं यही बुक करने वाली हूँ. ओह, ये हो गया. नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं ये बुक इसलिए करूँगी क्योंकि यहाँ मेरे फ्रेंड्स बने. गाइस, लाइफ में पहली बार मैंने फ्रेंड्स बनाए क्योंकि मुझे लगा कि वो फ्रेंड्स बनाने लायक हैं, तो मैंने बना लिए. पहले नहीं लगते. अब ये जो मैंने हुडी टाइप से वार्मर पहना हुआ है, लाइक समथिंग टू कीप मी वार्म, इट बिलोंग्स टू माई रूममेट. माई रूममेट मीन्स माई हॉस्टल वाला रूममेट. ये उसका है और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लग रही है. एंड उसने मुझे ये, लाइक, आई वॉज इन द हॉलीवुड साइन एंड आई वॉज फीलिंग कोल्ड, सो ही गेव मी. स्टिल मैंने इसे उतारा ही नहीं. मुझे ठंडी लगने वाला बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm thin. कहीं भी जाती हूँ मुझे बहुत ठंड लगती है. मुझे टिश्यू पेपर चाहिए. Here. Oh, how cool. This doesn't belong to me. This doesn't belong to me. This loving. I'll show you how everyone is so comfortable with their own company. Wait. Hey guys, that working on everyone alone. So we mostly prefer to sit with someone to have dinner or breakfast and to do things together. But when you are away from your home, you have to manage everything alone. We should all learn from them. This is my view. That's the most that I know. Yes. Show me. What do you know about India? Like the people sleeping on railway stations, right? The media has highlighted that part only. But you should also remember we have Ambani. Ambani is also, and so many rich people. See, it's a balance. If there are poor people, there are rich people. You hurt me, bro. Big Boss मुझे hurt हो रहा है. मुझे hurt हो रहा है Big Boss. You know, he showed me the picture where 7-8 ladies are sleeping on the platform of railway station, जो यूपी बिहार या दिल्ली में हम mostly देखते हैं. Don't worry about that. It's me. It's me talking to myself for my vlog. But I like the way you know India. But tell me, then I will show you different India. Oh my! Show me. Can I just use it? You are there. See, people know India like this. See, guys. Yeah, it's okay. You have not seen the other part. Come to India. You are most welcome. Come to Mumbai. Come to Delhi, and then see. You will enjoy.
I have traveled early in India.
Nice. Isn't it colorful?
Yeah, I like
Huh?
Yeah, that's what I think.
Tea?
Yeah.
Tea. Do you know vada pav? It looks like this.
I know.
And the vada pav, between that there is something made of potato.
And like a samosa.
Samosa is different. Vada pav is something like, you know, KFC burger. They keep two
Yeah.
breads and then stuff between these. We keep aloo, बहुत सारा.
Maybe I had tried it, but I don't know,
हम
remember the
आलू
name.
ठूस देते हैं the between bread. Oh my god. वड़ा पाव खाए हुए काफी दिन हो गए. So yeah. I don't drink tea or coffee, but yes, tea is the heart of every Indian's soul.
Yeah.
They cannot wake up without tea, they cannot sleep without tea. Tea is their mood food, like mood thing. Tea and rice. We cannot survive without them. Like I can survive without tea, but not without rice. Oh wow, this is you?
Yeah.
Great.
This is Jaisalmer.
This is Rajasthan.
Yeah.
Jaisalmer, Jaisalmer.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's Amritsar.
Yep. So you are also a backpacker?
Mhm.
Backpacker you are?
Yes.
You're a traveler?
Yeah. Udaipur.
Udaipur.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mumbai Central.
In there.
You clicked them while you were there. Oh my god. Nice. Means you have also traveled a lot
Yeah.
around the world.
And I like Harbin. Yeah. You have been to Harbin? County?
That's my state, MP. You can come to my camera also if you want to. See guys, ये बंदा पता है कहाँ घुमा हुआ है.
That's so much. We travel India together.
Together means okay.
I know where it is.
India, MP.
Yeah, India. But you know which city it is?
Punjab.
No.
Then
Jodhpur. Jodhpur.
पता नहीं.
Jodhpur.
There is no place like that. This is somewhere in Rajasthan.
Yeah, Rajasthan.